Looking for grout that works without the mess? Hi, this is Ella and welcome to LATI-Know. Kung gusto mo ng clean, mabilis at kontrolado na application, this is Colorful EP Grout, a 2-component epoxy grout made for smooth indoor use. No sagging, no dripping, consistent ang finish sa bawat tile joint. Naka-cartridge packaging siya kaya ready to use agad, ganito lang kadali. Attach the nozzle, load sa caulking gun, squeeze, then apply. May 6 color options from classic neutrals to vibrant accent colors bagay sa kahit anong tile designs or layout. Available sa Shopee, Lazada at TikTok Shop or message us on Facebook for inquiries. For better builds, know it right with LATI-Know.